Alright, what is going on, guys? It is now about an hour after I filmed yesterday's video, or the last video I posted. So, right now, I'm on my way to meet up with Ryan and Max at Central for a car meet. And we're gonna have no intro today, because I'm gonna do a fancy vlog edit thing. I have arrived at oh, there they are. Haven't seen these boys in a minute. What's up, bud?
You didn't look right in the Jetta. The fuck is this?
Revved my car and I set off a fire alarm. Car alarm. I don't know if you can hear it. Alright guys, so the car meet just about started. Ryan just got in his car. I have to go get my car, it's over here. And then we're rolling up and we're gonna see what's good with that. And off we go. Oh Jesus. I wish my car would quiet down so you guys could hear his car. Oh Lord, like. It's been a while since it's been a while since Ryan's been on the channel. What's good, Max?
What's up?
We're out here. There's a lot of cars, a lot of people. This should be pretty lit. I'm trying to make like a vlog. This thing is fucking insane. And Ryan's favorite.
It's not as nice as the other one.
What?
So much nicer.
This thing's insane.
Yeah, no, we have to.
That thing's dope. And then Jeep stuff. Ryan's shitting his pants a little bit.
Orlas? Yeah, those are loud.
Look at his plate, yo. How fast. It's S80's dope. I think it's S80. It's got a body kit.
So nice. I fucking love it.
Subi's alright.
He doesn't take care of shit.
Is that a Supra? Ooh. That's more my style. That's a clean fucking Supra.
This isn't clean.
Yes, it is, dude. Find me a cleaner MK3 Supra right now. Digging this RX-8. It's got that fire rotary. This is not gross. This is fire, Max. What are you on?
This looks like shit to me. Why?
What is wrong with you?
It looks like a wide body, but it's not. Like,
Yeah.
It's built
Like those front fenders are insanely aggressive from the stock. Harrison, there's your Subi love for the night. That's not race at all. That is 100% legit.
Dude, I know, but it's like it doesn't
As
appeal
fuck.
to me.
What? Get out of here with that.
Dude, like a
Cage.
gotta get them blood flaps, bro. That's like a fucking 4.5-inch exhaust. That means maybe 5.
That is an enormous exhaust. God damn.
That is a fart can and a half.
Still think it's ugly, Max?
Yeah, it's just
Max and I are sitting in the Miata. He could barely fit in here. He just
car is so fucking small.
He just barely got in here. But I've come to the decision that I'm gonna take the wrap off and just paint the whole thing because the wrap looks like garbage because that was my first time ever doing wrap. And the rest of the wrap I'm probably gonna have someone else do a different part of the dash or something else. But yeah, that's gonna get painted because it does look like shit. And I didn't think it was gonna bother me, but it's really fucking bothering me.
Be fucking loud. Remember when this was straight pipe?
Oh my
I got
god.
pulled over in 4 days. 4 days of having
Huh?
street.
I am filming.
Look cold for that.
A little cold.
I was doing I kind of just want to make friends. I want my car to rumble.
It kind of sounds like alright.
Couple pops and a little. I'm just gonna send it. I'm gonna ask. Yo, do they give a fuck about peels? One? I'm gonna hit a call.
how we do it, baby.
That was like literally half throttle. I don't like doing full throttle because it takes one little like oily spot or some shit and you're hitting that person's face. Should we bounce off some rev limiter?
No,
Yeah, we're doing it.
Don't be one of those fucking guys. You're such a fan. These kids are probably like, dude, fuck you.
Did you really?
Yeah,
Mine was pretty nice.
yeah, I saw a little bit of it, dude. I was like, no, I'm not doing it. And then I got like down to the end, and I was driving across that last part before you come down. They were like, you do burn. I was like, bum, ba, ba, ba.
We gotta find someone. Are you leaving or are you staying?
Oh, chill.
I think mine might be a little bit louder.
Dude, is
You
anyone
want one
ever...
full throttle tap?
No. Wow. Your
It's so scary.
Your car is so...
It's so scary. Dude, all it does is like, it starts to wiggle a little bit.
Ben set the fucking alarm off, man. That's the second time he set off his fucking alarm.
Right when Ben behind me, I'm sure you enjoyed that. Cars just make you smile, dude. I fucking love cars. I know.
That's the gang shit. I did a burnout, but Max didn't get it on video because Max and Ryan left. And some lady, like, old about her mom, started clapping sarcastically. I did it, and she was like,
All you have to do then is go, fuck you, bitch.
Oh shit, look at that. Oh.
Yo, get that shot. Get that shot of the simulator. My favorite thing is when you bounce off rev limiter and the car just slightly goes like this. Like, it's like,
Will you hurry up, bitch? Take your camera too, unless you want to fucking film about your small penis. Dude, we're gonna turn this vlog style.
No.
Whoa! This is my vlog. Don't touch the fucking camera. We got Ben out here. Yo, stop walking so fast, boy.
I'm about to head out, but I'm bringing Ryan to another dorm and letting him drive the Miata a little bit. I mean, you're not doing awful.
It catches very weird.
Yeah. Blinker.
Still indicating.
The clutch also grabs a little weird because it's destroyed. Ooh. Pop bang noises.
Those videos, I'm like, he's gonna be bald in 2 seconds.
Dude, the Miatas don't destroy tire.
This thing is solid too. It looks flimsy, but it's not.
It's not. There's proof that it's not flimsy. Alright,
Peace out, bro.
good to see you, man. Alright, guys, so I am right now driving home from Central. So I guess this concludes the video. I know the car meet wasn't that lit, but at least you guys got to see some cars, and I got to work on my vlogging skills because I'm trying to do more vlog type videos, I guess you could say. It's just gonna make it easier for me to be uploading every day and giving you guys more content to watch. I mean, obviously, if there's a boring day where we don't do anything, I'm not gonna try to make anything out of it and put a boring video up for you guys. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, go down in the comments, tell me why you didn't like it. Or go in the comments, tell me if you want to see more vlog type videos. Tell me what you want to see in future videos. Tell me what you want to see videos about. I'm sorry my car is really drony and loud. If you're new, subscribe, and as always, have a good one, guys. Peace.